Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a gorgeous car. It's a 1935 Chevy Standard. It's kind of like the Ford Vicky, gives you a little more room. Great for tall guys. Got the owner here, is going to tell us a little bit about it. How are you doing today?
How you doing?
Yeah, what a pretty car.
Thank you. Yeah, it's a 35 Chevy. It's got a 350,
Okay.
330 horse. Got a 350 turbo.
Cool.
Boosted. It's got a Heidts front end, leather seats.
See, it's got air conditioning too in there.
AC.
Great.
Pioneer radio with CD player.
Nice steel body.
Steel body.
Independent front end, right? That's a Heidts.
It's a Heidts, yeah.
Coilovers.
Coilovers.
The paint is beautiful too. What is this paint? Black cherry?
I don't know, but it looks, when it's in the sun, it really pops.
It really does. A lot of metallic in it. I love these chrome wheels too. They kind of look like Centerlines. Hot rod mirrors. Again, steel body.
Has a door pop-up and a remote with the key.
Okay. Love the flush mounted gas cap too. That's cool. You don't really see these around, you know?
Believe it or not, I went out in the island. And it was a car show when they Long Island street rods, and first time I've seen a lot of Chevys, 33s, 34s, and 35s.
Wow, Chevys aren't really around.
And two-door sedans. They're always Fords.
They're always Fords.
Yeah.
I love the taillights too.
Yeah.
So they're flush mounted in there.
Yeah, and it has the brake light right here on the center.
Yeah, that's flush mounted too. That's pretty cool.
He did away with
steel roof.
He did away with the leather roof and filled it in.
Yeah, I like that.
He did away with the vent in the front and filled that in. Because he had AC, he didn't need it.
Of course. Looks like you got some brand new tires on it.
Yeah, the tires are new.
Okay.
The front end's new.
What kind of motor is this? A crate motor?
It's a crate motor.
350, 335 horse?
Yep.
Shorty Headers, mini starter.
Yep.
Is that looks like an Edelbrock Carburetor.
Edelbrock, yep.
Electronic choke. Electronic ignition. Like I said, nice aluminum radiator with mechanical fan. Love this grill, man. That is bitchin'. You also have flush mount lights up front for your indicators.
Yep.
It's got a whole build book too with this car. Chrome alternator. Rack and pinion steering. It's part of the Heidts. Is that a rack?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, pretty cool. Really nice. Then inside he's got leather interior. I like the bench. Not much room for buckets, you know?
Yeah, they put them in, but they're always cockeyed.
Yeah.
So if you put a bench, it's straight.
Ooh, power windows.
Yeah, power windows.
A lot of love has been put in this car, that's for sure. Looks like you got dyno mat throughout.
Yep.
Tilt wheel.
Tilt wheel, yep.
Love this Nardi steering wheel. It's got a lock on it too, which is cool. Oh, gear drive too.
It's gear drive. Yep.
Electronic wipers. It's got a hidden stereo with a remote. Oh, here it is. And these are all video gauges with the the gold trim. 19,724 miles. 19,000 miles, huh?
Yeah.
Driven. There's your air conditioning and heat controls. Ah, there it is. Nice big back seat. See what I'm saying? The Vickies and the Standards give plenty of room. Which I like. It also has a leather headliner. 9-inch rear back there?
9-inch.
9-inch?
8-inch.
8-inch rear. Posi or
No.
one-legger? Are there also mechanical releases for the doors?
The driver's side has just the door popper and the release.
Oh.
The other side you never hooked up.
Nice car. Can we go for a quick ride? These are center lines. Do it. Really pretty, polished center lines. That noise is a gear drive. Instead of a chain, they use a gear. Gives it a cool sound. I like it. He's got independent suspension up front, which is cool. These look like they're double adjustable coilovers. Disc brakes too. Gives you the ability to adjust the height in the front. He's got leaves in the back. It's always nice to have air in it too. Oh, and these windows are smoked too. They're not a tint. It's nice.
Yeah, that's yeah.
Turbo 350 trans or?
Yeah, and it's got a shift in it. We'll see when I drive it.
It's a little hard. It's nice. Nice day for a ride.
Got more power than you ever need.
Oh, I can
This size
imagine,
car.
yeah.
Yeah.
Light, what's it weigh? 2,300?
Something like that, yeah. I just had, you'll see the billfold. I go to this one mechanic and does all the work. He noticed that the back in the vents could have been better, so he changed the distributor.
Oh,
And
good.
after he did that, he says, when do you see it now?
Yeah, it
But he
makes a
knows
big
I-
difference, right?
Yeah, he knows I just cruise with this. I don't,
Yeah, that's a cruiser.
those days are long behind me.
That's great. Shit's nice.
Yep. Oh, here you gotta watch. They don't stop at stop signs.
Yeah, be careful. Guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. I'm at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. It's weebyautos.com. Thanks a lot.